Happy birthday! Sumakses ka na sa birthday mo at sana sumakses ka sa buhay mo pa. Step by step lang po. And God bless on you, more power, and God bless, dream come true always. Wish dream come true. And once again, happy birthday and more power. God bless on you. Wishes dream come true. Bye!
Monday na, akala mo ba? Sa sobrang tagal ng tulog mo. Thank you! Yay!
Happy birthday!
Pakibabad na lang yung flower, please.
Happy birthday, Ava. How are you? Miss you. It's been so long time. We are not in contact. Where are you now? We'll meet once. And happy health, good health. God bless you. And fast. We need a good news. We need a baby for small baby.
Hi, Ate Ava! Happy birthday! Miss na kita! Ano na, kailan tayo maghahanap ng babysitter? Magplano na! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Birthday, Ava! Enjoy your day! God bless!
Hi, Ava! Wishing you a happy birthday and wishing you good health. And malapit na ibigay sa'yo ang TPH warehouse. Ayun lang, God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Ava. Praying na lagi kayong safe lang nila ate, nila Kuya Ron. Lahat kayo. And miss na namin kayo. Ingat kayo palagi. Keep safe and thank you for being so generous. Laging may salubong kapag may umuwi dito sa Philippines. And ayun, praying na lahat ng desires and wishes mo is matupad. Happy birthday! We miss you. Bye!
Hello, Ate Ava. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo dyan palagi ni Margie, ni Kuya Ron. Sana magbakasyon naman kayo sa Pilipinas. Ayun lang, ingat kayo palagi at saka happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ava! Happy birthday, Tita Ava. Have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ava. Thank you for giving me stuff. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ava! We miss you, love you! Let's travel!
Happy birthday, Tita Ava. We love you.
Lian told me that. What did you tell? Ha?
Ikaw
Ako na. Gawa na daw kayo ng baby.
She's the one who had the idea last night. Not me.
Oh, so that you will have a cousin or a playmate.
Playmate, cousin. Co-play. 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 Co-mate. 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 Coffee mate.
It's different. It's
coffee. Co stands for coffee.
Okay, sige, dito tayo magkwentuhan. Okay, you say happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ingat po kayo dyan lagi. We love you. Stay healthy.
Bye. Yes, bye.
Bye. Bye, tita. Say bye to tita.
Bye.
Bye, tita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ava. I pray that God will continue to bless you and give you strength and also the desires of your heart. Just be faithful and always stay sweet as you are. I love you. Enjoy.
Hello ba? Musta na kayo dyan ni Ron? Nandito kami ngayon sa Misilo. Nado sa labas si Papa mo eh. Happy birthday ba? Blessed, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Mag-ingat kayo ni Ron. Lord, ingat pagkabay. Hindi pa rin namin palagi kayo na ingatan kayo palagi dyan. We miss you. Kailan ang uwi ninyo? Kailan ang bakasyon ninyo? Okay. Ingat kayo palagi. Happy birthday. We love you. God bless you always. Bye-bye.
Na. Ready? Oh, video to. Message ko kay Ab.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Sabay ba tayo?
Mama, ikaw muna. Tapos Papa.
Papa muna.
Ikaw muna. Pang-wakas ako. Ikaw muna.
Hello ba? Today is your birthday. Happy birthday. We love you so much. We miss you. Ano pa? Ingat ka palagi. Kailan ka magbabakasyon. Love you. Happy birthday.
Sige, Aba. Happy birthday. Nami-miss ka na namin. I hope sana maayos yung ating transaksyon para gusto ko sama-sama na tayo. Salamat sa buhay mo dahil hanggang ngayon ay patuloy pa rin kayong nagtatrust kay God. Kayong dalawa ni Ron, ingatan niyo yung sarili niyo. Huwag niyo pababayaan. Si Margie, isama niyo na. Ingatan niyo na rin si Margie. Mag-ingat kayo dyan, ha. Muli, happy birthday, Aba. We love you so much. We love you so much. We miss you so much. God bless you. And God bless our family always.
And
okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Bonso Abang, bye-bye. Okay na.
Happy birthday ko. I wish you all the best. I hope bigyan ka pag-hear ng mahabang buhay and good health para sa'yo. Okay. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka lagi. Love you.